Hey everybody, back with a video on the solar setup. I finally started to get this thing installed. I'll show you a video later on how I did the solar panels on the roof. But I'm trying to get this up and running. So I've got the panels wired into the control center. Control center is currently producing the 14 something volts here. What I'm doing is equalizing a deep cycle battery that I've been sitting around for a while. It only had 9.6 volts on it when I started, so I cranked this up to equalize. Hopefully I can restore that battery. But in any event, I want to my next step here is the battery bank, so I want to show you that. Okay, there is the battery rack. I got that battery rack from work. They pulled out a big UPS system, and I was not able to get a hold of the batteries because they were supposed to show that they were disposed of properly or something. But in any event, there's the rack, and there's the rest of the batteries over there. It's cold out here. I got the heater going. But anyway, one thing I have to do to this rack, I don't know what type of batteries were in it before, but my batteries are just a little bit too wide. So I have 12 of them. I can only fit 5 here and 5 here because the distance between this angle iron is just a little bit too skinny. I'm going to have to shave off probably like a 1/4 inch on both sides. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to take all my batteries and just store them over here for a minute. I'm going to take this rack over to the workshop, hit it with a grinder, grind these edges down, put it all back together. The only other thing I might do is I might center this on this entire wall. This wall is like 12 feet. But what I want to do is I want to make sure that I'm drawing my power off of positive on one end and negative on the other, or vice versa. But I don't want to draw off of the end because that battery is going to receive and discharge all of its energy first, and the last one is not going to get stressed as much as the first one. So you want to draw off of both sides. So the only way I can really do that and keep all of my cables the same length is to mount the control center in the center and move the battery bank over. That'll allow me for some expansion on both sides later as the system grows. But anyway, let's get to that, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thanks.